In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide products in Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hiding a product is a quick way to remove it from your storefront without permanently deleting anything. This is useful if you're temporarily out of stock, updating images or descriptions, or preparing for a relaunch. The process is intentionally simple and reversible, so you can bring the product back online when you're ready. Start by opening the product in your Shopify admin. In other words, locate the product you want to hide and open its detail page in the admin dashboard. You're looking for the same product editing screen where you normally change price, description, or images. Once you have that product open, the change you need to make is straightforward. Change the product status to draft and click Save. That single change flips the product out of the active catalog and removes it from most storefront views and from the standard site search. Clicking Save ensures the change is applied immediately across your storefront. It's a small action with a big impact. Customers browsing your collections or using the site's search function will no longer see that product listed. A few important notes to keep in mind. Marking a product as draft removes it from most places customers normally see, but it doesn't erase the product record. Any internal links, saved direct URLs, or third-party integrations might still reference the product until those systems refresh. Also, some sales channels or apps you've enabled could surface draft items differently, so double-check any integrations if you notice a draft product still appearing somewhere unexpected. If you plan to hide multiple items, you can repeat this exact same process for each product. Because the products remain in your admin, you can return later, change their status back to active, and save to restore visibility. This makes the draft status ideal for staging changes or temporarily pulling items offline without losing product setup or inventory history. To recap, open the product in your admin, set status to draft, and click Save. That will remove the product from most storefront views and search results while keeping the product in your store records. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for